Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri Rangba Kejala Ukandret Ki Sangma Haga Khatlai Terik Ukala Lingkod Arhajar Arpulai Haga Jingyanang Kabala Penong Hakinton Lingka Apa Shalong Ulap Lipat Bai Ki Artali Ki Maunong Rem Hagi Artali Ki Shnong Kata Kanong Kse Abat Ko Lingka Na Kabentaban Sedang Penteri No Yaka Skim Bam Di Kaban Pensuk Ki Nong Shong Shnong Ban Penpoi Hagi Yang Kisem Lingba Ka Skim Jal Jivan Mission Haga Jingyanang Unong Mi Kmat Katha Ba Hamlet Son Dot Ling Ulapin Bana Bahapo Lingka Ulapin Yo Arpu Pra Klor Prapu Khandai Laktingka Bat Haga Shnong Nong Kse Khatsan Klor Tam Ban Penyo Bam Di Hagiteki Artli Kishnong Ki Bahap Hapo Kamelim Constituency Haga Ni Kasngi Layadon Lang Haga Jingyanang Lasakhi Deki engineer katanat PHE ki officer ki Rangba Shnong Nakador Bar Shnong Lingka Bat Nak Shnong Nong Kse ki Nong Shong Shnong Bat Ki Wei.
This entire project of census towns being possibly made, census towns getting JGM and MGNRGS, 99% of the credit will go to Ba Hamlet, because it is his thought and his initiative that led this way, and then of course we pushed it politically. That's a different issue. But if the thought had not come in, if the initiation had not been done, if the letters had not been written, if the entire lobbying and pressure was not there, we would not be standing here today, trust me. So we must give credit and appreciate the hard work that has gone in by your leader and our leader who is sitting here right now with us, and I must thank him and congratulate him, because I was telling in another meeting one day that because of the work that is being done by him for his constituency, maybe he was thinking about Lingka and Nongse and doing this, but because of that, today almost all the census towns today are benefited. Mairang is benefited, And just one day we were just discussing with some of our leaders in Nongkrem area and Madan Riting area, and they were just surprised that when we told them that, well, we'll be getting MGNRGS now, and they were so happy. It was obviously the intention, but I'm sure the motivation started with Lingka and Nongse, and the impact of that today is being felt everywhere. The Nongse project and this Lingka project is almost close to 35 plus crores. Exact number and value of this sanction amount has come to 15.8 lakhs for Nongse, and for Lingka it's about 28.89. But of course, as I said, the tendering process takes place. So in the tendering, it all depends on the L1 and all those other issues. So we will see exactly how much the actual value of the work will be, but that will not affect the overall implementation of the project. There will be 1,230 households in Nongse that will start getting water supply, and 2,242 households in Lingka that will get the water supply.
Nio ya Chief Minister ibakit kia, Minister ibakit kia. Manisala mengatakan penolong ya tadi kecing kwa itu ke department iwana ya kecing kibangi ke department ni don hai minister de jongi dapat dari kecing trade system ke jongi chief minister de jongi kabab penolong ya ka department ke jongi kumni kumangilang banyo banya ban trade yaki project fair but kam tang banwara kecing sekri kaba kam jana yo pada but nakala kecing ikan nemkut letang ngene ngindang don sibun ki bentang ki ngindang hak ban yaksa ngane ba ki kilom kumi kam tang kim sutu kam ha ya kajuran kam jogom hakilom yin long san bijobi
tine ki artlik snong ki ba he ki bala yar ba hakjingnon jongnon song snong gomba undi kade ka problem ki bai kedo na por se por but graduation log bat ki nang snong la biyon na kya jong umka ki no ba snong ba kya jong ka water committee jong ka snong no se ba ni sudhu ya kajme habre bar umba umdi lemba kan diga scheme pada ke ba ngin bu imon ri mata gasni ka JJM scheme magiong kan sawen ni juga jompi bat kan pun sogru kam tam ni ba bon ki pai ba musnong bersio ya kan ye ka JJM scheme bat kembang ang manta hagajing sisa ya ka JJM scheme om jula ban pendekam hapo ke sostom namar ka diga scheme balamang kerpang tik tangna mata kinong kendong ini kita di rural area daga jangan jumpa juga pada jisung kia jong cim nasa lala menteri konggu ya kasabaran dia harus berbenten dari pada extend ya kena jumpa kamu yang JJM scheme apa kisah swasta kini kacipman ini kejunyo bahaya apa kalau cuma sahaja beliau, nanti setiap juri berkerpang namta di sensostom. Nasi komen sebut, baju pasal jangan berit, jangan jemput jangan berit, Henry lah pada penyerap. Antang ini pokok ni posisi Henry, ya babon kita posisi kita apa akan sensostom. Bab minta kasih, lembah kini kerja balbut yang mana orang, ikut abang itu api. Kinong senong jang senong omlengka kibenok jung to ya lemba kini ke JJM scheme kulang arajar arspa sapa atli kilong ye omlengka arajar arspa sapa atli kilong ye kibenok ya haye bat kalong se kene kenyo kumba sijar arspa lai photli kilong ye ko se kenyo ya ga house collection hapo ye bat omleng ta kamdaru kandan ru kejiban bha bat penbuan bat he ya kene kisos ki jongi